In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a diagram in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create professional diagrams and flowcharts using built-in tools or ready-made templates. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add your diagram, then click Edit. Place your cursor where you'd like the diagram to appear. Type Diagram and select the Diagram option from the menu. Confluence will open the diagram editor where you can either choose a pre-built template or start with a blank canvas. If you want a faster start, browse the available templates for flowcharts, process maps, organizational charts, or other diagram types. Select the template that best fits your needs, then customize it by editing the text, moving shapes, changing colors, and adding connectors. If you prefer to build your own diagram from scratch, choose a blank diagram or type whiteboard to create a Confluence whiteboard. Use shapes, arrows, text boxes, sticky notes, and connectors to design your workflow or process exactly the way you want. Once you finish creating your diagram, click Save or Insert to add it to your Confluence page. Review the placement, make any final adjustments, and then click Publish or Update to save your page. That's how to make a diagram in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.